Saving money is crucial for a secure future. It's not just about putting away a few dollars here and there. It's about creating a foundation for your financial well-being. When you save, you're preparing for the unexpected and ensuring that you have the resources to handle life's surprises. It provides a safety net for unexpected expenses. Imagine your car breaks down or you face a sudden medical emergency. Without savings, these situations can become financial crises. But with a well-funded emergency fund, you can cover these costs without going into debt. Saving also helps you reach your financial goals. Whether you're planning to buy a new home, start a business, or take a dream vacation, having a savings plan in place makes these goals achievable. By setting aside money regularly, you can make steady progress towards your aspirations. These goals might include buying a home or retiring comfortably. Home ownership is a significant milestone that requires substantial financial preparation. Similarly, a comfortable retirement doesn't happen by accident. It requires years of disciplined saving and investing. Without savings, unexpected events can lead to debt. Debt can quickly spiral out of control, leading to high interest payments and financial stress. It can limit your ability to make choices and pursue opportunities. Debt creates stress and limits your options. When you're burdened with debt, it's challenging to focus on long-term goals. Instead, you're constantly worried about making ends meet and paying off creditors. Saving money gives you peace of mind and financial freedom. Knowing that you have a financial cushion allows you to enjoy life more fully. You can take vacations, pursue hobbies, and spend time with loved ones without the constant worry of financial instability. Start saving today, no matter how small the amount. Every little bit adds up over time. Teach your children the importance of saving early on, so they can develop good financial habits that will benefit them throughout their lives. Remember, the journey to financial security begins with a single step. Saving money doesn't require drastic measures. You don't have to overhaul your entire lifestyle to see significant improvements in your financial health. Small, consistent actions can lead to substantial savings over time. Let's explore some practical tips that can help you save money without feeling deprived. Start by tracking your spending for a month. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. Use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or a budgeting app to record every expense, no matter how small. This awareness is the first step towards better financial management. Once you have a month's worth of data, identify areas where you can cut back. Are there any unnecessary expenses that you can eliminate? Maybe you're spending too much on dining out or buying coffee every day. Highlight these areas and consider making adjustments. One simple change is to pack your lunch instead of eating out. Not only is this healthier, but it can also save you a significant amount of money each week. Plan your meals ahead of time and prepare them at home. This small habit can lead to big savings. Cancel subscriptions you don't use regularly. Many of us have subscriptions to services we rarely use, whether it's a streaming service, a magazine, or a gym membership. Review your subscriptions and cancel those that are not essential. This can free up money for more important expenses. When shopping, always look for sales and discounts. Compare prices before making a purchase and use coupons whenever possible. This can help you get the best deals and save money on everyday items. Being a smart shopper can make a big difference in your budget. Set a realistic savings goal and automate transfers to your savings account. Decide how much you want to save each month and set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This way, you won't have to think about it, and your savings will grow steadily. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. Celebrate your progress no matter how small. Every step you take towards saving money is a step towards financial freedom. Keep going, and you'll see the benefits in the long run. Debt can quickly spiral out of control. It starts with a small purchase here and there, but before you know it, the interest accumulates, and the bills start piling up. The stress of managing multiple debts can be overwhelming, affecting not just your financial health but also your mental well-being. Avoid impulse purchases and using credit cards for non-essential items. It's easy to swipe a card without thinking, but those small unnecessary expenses add up over time. Instead, make a list before shopping and stick to it. If you find yourself tempted, ask yourself if the item is a need or a want. Cutting up credit cards can also be a powerful step towards controlling spending. Live within your means and don't try to keep up with others. Social media can create pressure to spend money on things you don't need. Focus on your own financial goals and priorities. Create a budget that reflects your income and expenses, and stick to it. A modest lifestyle can lead to greater financial security and peace of mind. If you need to borrow money, explore low-interest options. High-interest loans and credit cards can trap you in a cycle of debt. Research different types of loans and their interest rates. Speak with a financial advisor to understand the best options for your situation. Sometimes, consolidating debt into a single, lower-interest loan can make repayment more manageable. Consider a personal loan from a credit union instead of high-interest credit cards. Credit unions often offer lower interest rates and more flexible terms than traditional banks. They are member-focused and can provide personalized advice to help you manage your debt effectively. Signing a loan agreement with a credit union can be a step towards financial stability. Pay your bills on time to avoid late fees and penalties. Late payments can damage your credit score and lead to additional charges. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a due date. Staying on top of your bills not only saves you money but also helps maintain a good credit rating, which is crucial for future financial opportunities. Getting out of debt requires a plan and commitment. First, list all your debts, including balances and interest rates. Focus on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first. Make minimum payments on other debts. Once the highest interest debt is paid, move to the next one. This snowball method builds momentum and keeps you motivated. Creating a budget that works is essential for managing your money effectively. First, list your income and all your expenses. Then, categorize your expenses, such as housing, transportation, and entertainment. Identify areas where you can reduce spending. Allocate funds for savings and debt repayment. Track your spending regularly and adjust your budget as needed. A well-planned budget keeps you on track financially. Smart shopping can save you significant money. Plan your meals and create a grocery list to avoid impulse buys. Use coupons and take advantage of sales and discounts. Consider buying generic brands, which are often cheaper than name brands. Shop around and compare prices before making major purchases. Negotiate prices for services like cable and internet. An emergency fund is crucial for unexpected events. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Start small and gradually increase your savings. Keep your emergency fund in a separate account. Only use it for genuine emergencies, such as job loss or medical bills. Replenish your fund as quickly as possible after using it. Staying motivated is key to achieving your financial goals. Visualize your goals and remind yourself why they're important. Celebrate your successes along the way, no matter how small. Find an accountability partner or join a support group. Educate yourself about personal finance. Remember that financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. Achieving financial freedom requires commitment and discipline. Start by saving money, avoiding debt, and creating a budget. Make smart shopping choices and build an emergency fund. Seek professional advice if needed. Stay motivated and celebrate your progress. By taking control of your finances, you can achieve your goals and live a more secure and fulfilling life.